Truu by Nature's Obloom products are celebrating their 1-year anniversary. This brand of natural hair and skincare is proudly produced right here in Burlington by their passionate founder and creator, Suzanne Soto-Davies.
What really made my journey get started with this was when I would go to the hairdresser and the hairdresser would say, your hair is dry. And then you have to buy these $200 worth of products. So for me it was, I want to study, I want to learn how I can make this myself. And not only that, but there is so much plastic pollution out there. If you go to the market, if you go to the drugstore, you'll find so many plastic products for your hair. And I really wanted to reinvent that and go on a mission to produce hair products that are plastic free.
So that's exactly what she did. Suzanne went on to obtain many certifications, including that of becoming a certified formulator whose products are made with carefully selected local ingredients that are both effective and environmentally friendly.
I created products, first of all, that were nature-derived ingredients, but I really wanted to focus on products that are plastic-free. So the shampoo bar is a good example. It has shampoo at the top, it has conditioner at the bottom, and it's package free, so it's great for traveling, it's great for people that are just, going on an overnight trip, that kind of thing, or even camping. So that's a really good one. And then another one that we often talk about is the powdered shampoo. It's in an aluminum container, which is amazing because aluminum is infinitely recyclable. And so you just add a little bit of powder, add some water yourself, mix it, and it foams right up and cleans your hair beautifully. And the dry shampoo is one of our favorites with our customers. So it's basically a powder that you would add to your scalp. If you have a greasy bangs in the morning or you really don't have time to shower, you just sprinkle it on, shake it off, and you're not using alcohol or aerosols.
Each shampoo bar has enough concentrated ingredients to replace 3 to 4 large plastic shampoo bottles. Obloom has a wide range of other products to explore as well, and a starter kit to help you sample different options.
We started this as a great opportunity for a stocking stuffer for people to get, and it has 5 of our products in the back and just minis, from hair oils to hair masks and a shampoo bar minis. You can try them all in this kit. And one thing that I would advise also is just consider that you need to do less with your hair, and the less product that you put on your hair and is less product that will be flushed down the drain. So it's really good for our environment to use less and flush less down.
These products are available in stores like Change House at Burlington Center or online at obloom.ca, where you'll also find a ton of well-researched hair care information. For Halton News, I'm Jessica Kading.